How to scan a document using the camera on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen or in the app screen, open up the camera app. Next, you want to make sure the scan documents feature is switched on. So tap on the quick control button over here, then tap on settings. Next, in camera settings, we go down and tap on scan documents and text. Make sure this is turned on so that we can use the camera to scan for documents. Now tap on the left hand side panel. There are two features that you can turn on or turn off. In here we have the auto scan. This will automatically capture documents and text without pressing the shutter button. And the other feature is the remove unwanted objects. So with this particular function, it will automatically remove fingers from the frame when scanning documents. So let's test out these two particular features as well. So tap on the back key to return back to your camera. Now get your documents, lay flat on the table and then point your camera at the documents. Make sure the documents is within the frame so that the camera can detect the whole documents. Here I will place the document and then I'll move my camera up so that it is within the frame. So hold still for a few seconds, and then the phone will capture the documents or the object of the documents. And then from here, what you can do is there are text selected, so you can translate the text in the document. You can tap on the scan button for other options. So from here, you can readjust your document. You can readjust the selection area. So if the default selection is not correct, you can drag on the handle on one of the corners and then readjust it. Okay, after that, you can also rotate your documents. So if your document is in a different orientation, you can rotate it. So you can rotate right or left. Or you can use the retake button to retake the document. After that, tap on saved. Here, you can see it is now saved and automatically stretch the documents out so that it is nice and flat. Okay, so we're going to test the other feature as well. So one of the features is the auto capture, which we have just done. And the other one is where it automatically remove an object. So if you hold a document like this, it will automatically remove your fingers or other objects within the document. So let's try it out. So I'll hold it like this. And I'll point the camera at the subject. Here you can see it captured the document and it still have my thumb holding the document. So what I'll do is I'm going to tap on the download button, and the software will automatically use artificial intelligence to remove my thumb. You can see there are some touch up right here where the line is not continuous because there is touch up appearing right here. So that just automatically remove my thumb from the document. So that's quite awesome, right? So you can hold the documents up and then simply use the camera to capture it, and it will automatically remove your finger or your thumb or whatever the object is you are using to holding up that piece of paper. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.